है क्या कल परसों में?
महाराष्ट्र वाली दाहिनी है
कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ वाला क्या कह रहा है वो बताओ।
यहाँ इसकी और एम्स की है।
ऐसा है कि हमें नहीं मालूम कि हम क्या करेंगे, लेकिन जो भी हम करेंगे
जेल की रिपोर्ट पहले डिटेल दी थी, वापस पड़ेगा ये देना जेल रिपोर्ट आज तक क्या हुआ।
11/1/2024 का ऑर्डर कहाँ है?
सारे ऑर्डर
पेज नंबर 229
ये सब मेरे पेज वाइज सारे ऑर्डर्स का लिखा हुआ है, इसमें रफली बनाया हुआ है पर डिटेल है, इनके पोजीशंस की पेज नंबर लिखा है सारा। तो ऑर्डर मैं आज तक एसपीटी वो नहीं
आर्टरी बाईपास ग्राफ्टिंग आपने वो करी है, रेकमेंड करी है। ये आइटम नंबर कौन सा है?
70।
इसमें आप वो ये जो रिफ्यूजर अभी आप ये माधवबाग ही ले जाना चाह रहे हैं?
जी लॉस।
माधवबाग पहले 11/1/2024 को खारिज हो चुकी है।
जी लॉस।
कौन से पेज पे है ये ऑर्डर?
मैंने वो दिया उसको लिखा
229 to 240 229 After that, the Supreme Court was challenged.
फिर क्या हुआ?
The Supreme Court observed that the state is.
ये जो है ये 11/1/2024 को सस्पेंशन ऑफ सेंटेंस था,
Yes.
बट इट वाज नॉट इमरजेंट
इमरजेंट
पेरोल। इससे पहले कोई इमरजेंट पेरोल खारिज हुई क्या?
इमरजेंट पैरोल रेगुलर पैरोल
ये पहली बार इमरजेंट पेरोल है।
रेगुलर पैरोल खारिज 20 डेज की
रेगुलर खारिज हुई है, इमरजेंट नहीं खारिज हुई। इमरजेंट का रूल दिखाना क्या लागू होगा?
Page 76 of the petition.
Nice.
रूल रूल 2021 का होगा या 59 का होगा?
इनका लॉर्डशिप इसमें तो 50, गुजरात वाले केस में तो 21 का होगा,
हाँ,
यहाँ वाले में 1950।
दोनों पढ़ लेते हैं, ये वाला भी दो। वो उस 21 में तो इमरजेंट केसेस 11,
हाँ,
तो
इसमें ये 9
और इसमें जो है पुराने वाले में अपने 9 है ही है,
9
तो 9 को जरा पीपी साहब पढ़िए।
जी सर। इसमें 10 ए में आएगा।
10 ए में आएगा।
हाँ सर। Provision of Rule 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10 emergent cases involving humanitarian ground consideration wise critical condition on
हाँ।
account of illness
हाँ
of any close relation,
हाँ,
either father, mother, wife, husband, children, brother or unmarried sister, उसके लिए कोई नहीं है सर प्रावधान।
इसमें ये वो तो सब बहस हो चुकी। ये बताइए कि देखिए, हम आपको एक बात बहुत क्लियर कर रहे हैं, हम कानून ले डाउन करने के अंदर बहुत स्लो हैं, हम बहुत ध्यान से करेंगे, ऐसे हम उसको जल्दबाजी भी नहीं करेंगे। हम इसको और 5 दिन बाद अच्छी तरह सोच समझ के, उसकी बहस हो रखी है, माथुर साहब ने करी हुई है। अभी हम ये आज मुकदमा लगने का कारण केवल एक है कि इन्होंने कहा कि इनको कल हार्ट अटैक हुआ, परसों हार्ट अटैक हुआ, और इनको एंजाइनल पेन है, और इनकी जो मेडिकल कंडीशन है वो अचानक खराब हो गई है। ठीक है, इस कारण इस मुकदमे को हमने आज लगवाया है। अगर अब ये आपकी मेडिकल एड्स रिपोर्ट, एम्स की जो रिपोर्ट है, ये सब चीजें हमें अगर ये विश्वास दिलाती हैं कि वास्तव में इनकी मेडिकल कंडीशन खराब है और वहां इनको कोई मदद मिल सकती है, हम देखते हैं तो कानून के तहत आप तय से। और हम लेकिन कोई अभी आज कोई ऐसा ऑर्डर, हम उस आपकी पिटिशन डिसाइड नहीं करने वाले।
ठीक ऐसा है कि आयुर्वेद में हार्ट का बाईपास का कोई इसका आज तक
नहीं, बाईपास तो कराना नहीं चाह रहे हैं ना। यू वेट।
जब आप ब्लॉकेज देता है कई बार कोई सब व्यायाम से तो होता नहीं सर।
अरे जोशी साहब, वो सब डॉक्टरों पे छोड़ो ना, आपने तो आप ये बताओ,
सर, वो भी अगर है, अगर होता है
आप ये बताओ कि इमरजेंट पैरोल में अपन हाईकोर्ट जो है वो बहुत बीमार कैदी को छोड़ता है क्या?
तो छोड़ सकता है,
छोड़ सकता है, ठीक है।
दे सकता है।
10 ए आपका कहता है ये छोड़ सकता, 10 ए कहता है ये है।
रिलेटिव रूल्स के अनुसार खुद की बीमारी में तो नहीं छोड़ सकते।
हाँ, नहीं, वो खुद की बीमारी में भी उनका बहस ये है कि
लॉर्डशिप अगर सोचे मान लो लॉर्डशिप तो बेच सकते हैं, पर इनकी भी सुरक्षा बहुत जरूरी है।
ये जो वाई आई जेड का मतलब क्या होता है? जो रूल 10 ए में सेकंड लाइन के अंदर सेकंड लास्ट वर्ड है वाई आई जेड, उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
कंडीशन वाइज है सर,
वाइज नहीं,
बस ये इनका ही है सर, ये जो कंडीशन दे रखी है 4 मेरिट पर्सन और ये
These are examples.
Example.
These are not,
सो दिस आर एग्जाम्पल। यही तो, अरे तो इसीलिए तो पूछ रहे हैं, बताइए ना। सो दीज आर ओनली एग्जाम्पल्स, दिस इज नॉट ए स्ट्रेट जैकेट फॉर्मूला। इसीलिए आप कह रहे हो कि ये दिया जा सकता है।
हम कह रहे हैं, परंतु सर इनकी भी सुरक्षा के लिए
वेट लेट अस, अभी स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलते हैं। आप अभी कोई जल्दबाजी मत करिए। हमारे को ना तो किसी को छोड़ने की जल्दी है, ना किसी को रखने की जल्दी है। आराम से आप हमारे को पूरा लॉ समझाइए।
ठीक है।
हम तो जो है वो इसको एक हो सकता है कि 15 दिन बाद निर्णय देते, क्योंकि इन्होंने वायरस चैलेंज कर रखा है। अभी कल आकर के इन्होंने कहा बहुत तबियत खराब है, तो हम सुन लेते हैं, हमारे समझ में आएगा तो करेंगे, जो हमारे ऑर्डर होगा करेगा। आगे इनको नहीं समझ में आएगा तो ऑनरेबल अपेक्स कोर्ट जाएंगे। ये 11 जो है इमरजेंट केस कहता है, ये भी वो सेम है।
जी सर।
लेकिन हम आज हमारे ऊपर लागू 10 है, मतलब आज हमारे केस पे लागू जो है वो 10 है। इसके 3 लेके जा सकते हैं, एयर फेयर देना पड़ेगा। अब अपन इसको एक बार वापस एग्जामिन कर लें। वोटिंग भी देखें,
उसमें इमरजेंट अलग नहीं।
ineligibility, the following cases of business will not eligible release on parole.
ये में आ जाए।
ए में नहीं आएगा।
हाँ सर।
ए आपका डिवीजन बेंच से स्टक डाउन हो रखा है।
नहीं सर, who have been convicted by a court martial or court of another state.
ठीक है, आकिब खान वाला जजमेंट कहाँ है?
The division is stuck on first part.
हाँ, but this is alive.
No, these two are low. It's
कोर्ट
court of
मार्शल से तो कोई लेना देना नहीं। ये क्या, ये
Court of-
कोर्ट ऑफ अनदर
page number 109,
109
117,
पेज 109
109, to 117 of the petition. Relevant starts from page 113.
क्या कहना बताना चाह रहे हैं इसमें?
इसमें he has completed more than 50% of his sentence.
So what?
Cases.
So
And here in 14A, there is a 14A.
there is a word ordinarily.
Ordinary is there, but after that, unless they have undergone 1/4 of the sentence.
वो तो
including-
प्राइमरी लॉ है, वो तो प्राइमरी लॉ है.
Yes. So basically, he has completed more than 50%, and ordinarily doesn't mean that he is prohibited.
ठीक है. और कुछ?
On page number 113, it is underlined that part of the vigor of the rule is set off if a person has already undergone 1/4 of the sentence, including remission. That is in a case convicted by another state.
ठीक है.
So in that scenario,
Another state has been met
Yes.
with, so it will help us. Yes. Anything else?
बाकी हमने रिपोर्ट दी थी पुलिस की जो रिपोर्ट है वो हमने दे दी. जी लॉर्ड. जी लॉर्ड. हाँ सर. प्रोविजन में हुई है सर कस्टडी का. हाँ कस्टडी का दर्शन कस्टडी का नहीं है. ये तो सारी सुरक्षा के हिसाब से ही है. एक मिनट देखता हूँ सर मैं. एक कॉपी ऑर्डर रिकॉग्निशन ऑपरेटिव जजमेंट है टू ग्रांट. एक मिनट.
10A second para, madam.
10
A prisoner be released on parole for a period of not exceeding 7 days by the superintendent of jail or for a period not exceeding 15 days by the inspector general of prisons on such terms and conditions as they may consider necessary to impose for the security of the prisoner, including a guarantee of his return to jail, acceptance or execution thereof.
पुलिस कस्टडी. कंडीशन का ये कंडीशन 10 ए में ही होगा सर, कंडीशन कोई भी डाल सकते हैं तो वो। टेन ए में ही है। 10 ए में ही है। Necessary importance security of documents. Second, Lordship. कस्टडी बियर्स बिल्कुल। हाँ, क्योंकि सर इनकी भी वो जी लॉर्डशिप।
We can't take them. So for security and his reason written.
जी लॉर्डशिप।
Oh. Sure.
जी लॉर्ड।
Law and order. Your report suggests that there is a derivative meeting.
पर वो महाराष्ट्र की तो आ जाए सर, बॉम्बे तक तो हमारी यहाँ सिक्योरिटी रहेगी सर। नहीं पर महाराष्ट्र तक तो रहेगी सर, महाराष्ट्र से वो आगे जो अपोली तक जाना है सर, डायरेक्शन दे दें। हाँ ऐसा डायरेक्शन दे दें।
My lords, request is
कॉस्ट लॉर्डशिप, इसमें एयर एम्बुलेंस में जाना होगा इनको, तो वो कॉस्ट वॉस्ट तो सारी ये
my
बेयर
lord,
करे। कॉस्ट हाँ कॉस्ट सारी ये बेयर करे। हाँ
my
कॉस्ट
lord,
ये बेयर करे।
just want-
हाँ ये कॉस्ट सारी बेयर करे उसमें। जी लॉर्डशिप, ब्याज में
My
कोई
lord,
दिक्कत नहीं, कॉस्ट
looking at his condition, the Madhobag experts will come and because for getting him ready to go to by air ambulance or flight, whatever is whatever it is, my lord may direct note it. And also to get him ready also, they will require because the current condition is extreme. So
सर ऐसी ऐसी कंडीशन में एयर एम्बुलेंस के बिना होगा नहीं लॉर्डशिप।
My lord, one prayer, ma'am, my lord. That whatever R.N. Mathurji had argued, the final decision of the emergency payroll be done as per the written arguments submitted by R.N.
We are not doing that. So what we can do that?
No, no, no.
Let me post it in.
No, no, no. My lord, until that pendency, whenever my lord decides the order, until then this may not be taken as a final. This
We are
whatever.
not doing anything.
Obliged.
I mean, do like this.
Obliged.
अच्छा लॉर्डशिप एयर एम्बुलेंस का तो बहुत जरूरी होगा क्योंकि इनका इलाज जो क्रिटिकल कंडीशन बता रहे हैं
Lord discretion.
जी, sir.
Doctors.
जी, sir. जी सर
Consult them.
क्योंकि लॉर्डशिप मेरा निवेदन
Please,
मेरा
your citizen.
नहीं सर मेरा निवेदन कोर्ट से करने का ये है कि जैसे जनरल फ्लाइट में जाते हैं तो बाबा जी के इतने सेवक है वो पहले ही टिकट बुक करा लेते हैं इनके और उसी उसमें वो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है सर एयर एम्बुलेंस में बहुत हाँ वो हम जैसी बढ़िया होगा वैसा हम करवा देंगे
My lord, and he also requires 24/7 attendant who cannot be one because 3 persons at least are required. Attendant, whatever as per his requirement, because yes. And my lord, another request regarding the police persons who, in the name of custody and security, they cause trauma to the this, and this is an example which we had brought before the court.
तो लॉर्डशिप
And it was observed. But my lord, now also in AIMS when we go, there is total trauma when we see. I went to see Bapuji. He is in a traumatized situation. My lord can even talk to him and ask him if he feel, my lord.
ऐसा ऐसा लॉर्ड
But it should not
ऐसा
be
लॉर्डशिप
that
ऐसा लॉर्डशिप जब ये
security,
पोजीशन
they, my lord, look at the way they
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल
stand
lordship.
before him and
ऐसा
do not,
lordship.
and if he says call this person, no, we will not
ऐसा
allow.
ऐसा
They,
लॉर्डशिप
they will talk like that blatant, bluntly.
Supposed to deal to them like that.
ऐसा लॉर्डशिप
But my lord, there is my lord, but medical literature
He's a
says
citizen of India.
for his treatment to be successful, this is an important factor, my lord.
ऐसा
That
लॉर्डशिप
they do not traumatize him.
Post it in September. It's easy, examine it.
ऐसा लॉर्डशिप ये जो प्रॉब्लम आई थी कि डॉक्टर वो हॉस्पिटल में इनके रूम में है तो ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने हमको और बाजवा साहब को कहा कि आप हॉस्पिटल जाइए वस्तु स्थिति देखिए हमने वहां देख के और उनको कहा गार्ड आपके कमरे के बाहर
My
रहेंगे
lord, उसके
कमरे
बाद
में नहीं
भी जब भी
रहेंगे
गए,
उसके बाद वो बाहर रहे हैं सर
my lord, उसके बाद भी जब भी
और
आरोग्य में गए,
identification-
में गए, कहीं भी गए ना, they are official.
ऐसा lord
I have a power of attorney, my lord.
ऐसा
If I go, no, you are not allowed.
आप
Who are you? You
ऐसा
don't
सर
get a court order. They talk like this, my
ऐसा
lord.
लॉर्डशिप पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी की जहां तक बात है
Accused, why you should go there?
My lord,
He is accused, why you should go there?
no, my lord, when yesterday also, my lord, after your direction we went, we were handled not well by them, even after my lord, WG calling.
ऐसा लॉर्डशिप
That
जहां
caused
तक
problem, trauma to the
ऐसा lordship-
patient. He is not in a situation
जहां
to
तक जहां तक आपकी बात है लॉर्डशिप पहले जो पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी थी बाबा जी ने जेल से हमको लिख के भेजा है कि हमने इनको कोई पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी नहीं दी उसके बाद सेकंड बार हमने वापस भेजा है
I-
उसके बाद उन्होंने यस किया
There
है
is a-
तो ये भी कोई
My
मामला
lord,
कोई
I
बिल्कुल
would
फेयर नहीं
he is
है
misguiding the court again.
मेरे पास है
have things on
record में
There is an attempt
लिखा हुआ है वो record में।
to derail his treatment. It has, I have a FIR filed regarding this also. Yes. No, my lord, just because he submitted some weird things. Oblige me. Oblige. My lord, he will require cardiac ambulance anywhere to travel because they take him in an ICER car and converted ICER.
Heard it now. As a rain proof. With the assistance of pediatric Mr. R. For maintenance from limited. That is number one. which was extreme. Extreme was the court was conscious of the fact that the better while working also had a empathetic prayer of challenge to move one suppose three of the lifespan. Within bracket, to the extent of within limited comma of a code of other state limited commas. And same provision was prayed to be struck down. Striking down of a provision by weighing it against the provision of against the article 13 of the month and other provisions of law and articles of is a required in depth preparation required in depth required in-depth assessment of the thus the matter being reserved from for since 2024 while the implement was consulting amongst itself and also preparing a reserved draft for the matter reserved mode for the matter so as to come out with a considered pronouncement regarding content parole as well as the challenge to the statutory particular statutory that is one suppose be of the however, while such contemplation, while such, however, in the meantime, on 12th of the 24th, the petitioner made a mention before this oral mention and submitted that the detaining को डाले क्यों डाले
डिटेन आएगा
that the detaining convict Mr. Ashram had suffered immense anginal pain breast pain on in last 2 days, in previous 2 days, and is
Thank you. Thank you. Accused
CABG का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
See,
Coronary
coronary artery bypass graft surgery. CABG.
देखना
was suggested by the AIMS to undergo coronary heart bypass graft. The petitioner submitted that the convict detainee be immediately be sent to the
डिटेन्यू की जगह एक्यूज्ड आएगा सर, एक्यूज्ड होना चाहिए, डिटेन्यू तो राजपाषा में आता है, एक्यूज्ड है अभी तक तो, एक्यूज्ड चाहिए सर, हाँ कन्विक्ट, 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 कन्विक्ट सर, बिल्कुल कन्विक्ट सर, एक्यूज्ड कन्विक्ट, कन्विक्ट।
Hopefully, Maharashtra. That will remove risk and cost.
छोड़िए।
Upon such mentioning having been done by the petitioner. Additional Advocate General Mr. Doshi was directed to call for the latest report from All India Institute of Medical Science regarding the medical condition of the convict. And the matter was, and a permission was granted for the matter to be listed today. The WAG has produced the reports of the All India Institute of Medical Science. Which reflect dated 10/8/2024, 11/8/2024, and 12/8/2024, which reflect that the patient had an episode of chest pain on 9/8/2020. The report further indicated that those dynamic changes as compared to previous history. And his troponin 1 was slightly elevated. Report indicates that the AIMS recommend coronary artery bypass grafting. Within brackets CAB, for which the consent has not been given by the patient. The petitioner present in the court submitted that the refusal on the part of the convict was on account of the fact that he's of the age
85, more than 85 years.
of 85 years and above, and such treatment would.
He has been informed by AIMS itself that,
The report doesn't have that.
yes, verbally they are saying, telling him.
And the doctors and the petitioner submits that the doctors attending suggested that at this age, it would not be very safe to undergo coronary artery bypass grant. And thus he insisted on grant of 7 days indulgent parole for the purpose of for treatment of non-invasive heart treatment, for the purpose of non-invasive heart treatment at Madhavpur Multidisciplinary Cardiac Therapy Center. The reports submitted by the AIMS dated 10/8/2024, 11/8/2024, and 12/8/2024 are taken on record. By reading the report, this court is satisfied that the petitioner has undergone the convict has suffered angina chest pain in last 3 days. And in last 3 days,
Since 9th.
and also there were changes in his history. And a recommendation from the AIMS doctors for coronary artery bypass grafting, which shows that there is a
serious heart ailment which is aggravated at this stage and requires maybe and requires immediate medical attention. It is further made clear that the report aforesaid produced by the AAD is of a medical board committee members consisting of Dr. Jivan Ram Vishnoi, Deputy Medical Superintendent, Dr. Alok Kumar Sharma, Additional Professor, Department of CTVS, and Dr. Rahul Chaudhary, Additional Professor, Department of Cardiology, Dr. Manoj Kamal, Professor, Department of Anesthesia, Dr. Gautam Ram Chaudhary, Additional Professor, Department of Urology, Dr. Gopal Krishna Bora, Additional Professor, Department of Medicine, and Dr. Ashish Agarwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Gastroenterology. On being satisfied that the immediate medical attention is required, this court deems it appropriate that rather than deciding the virus of the law rule, which can be done at a subsequent time, when an emergent look at the matter is necessary, and thus with a view to have some kind of emergent solution, this court examined the law as well. The rules applicable on the present for the parole are the Rajasthan Business Release and Parole Rules 19, in which pertinent rule for grant of parole is 10A, which is reproduced as follows. The rule provides for in emergent cases involving humanitarian consideration, a release on parole, and some of the examples are given where such release can be permitted. The WD fairly submits that in case there is an acute medical issue, such emergent parole can be granted. But however, WD submitted that the court may peruse Rule 14 also of the rules of 1958. Rule 14 reads as follows. Rule 14 envisages reads as follows. The WD submits that the rule has an exception for conviction in the convicted by the court of another state, and also another state. This court finds that the Rule 14 uses the word ordinarily, whereas this is a case where an extraordinary medical condition has been reflected in the EM's report. However, this court has also perused the report of the police stated report of the police of the report of the Office of Commissionerate of Police Jodhpur, dated 13/8/2024, which reflects that the police is prepared to provide necessary security. The convict, if he is taken by, if he is taken by air, and the expenses are borne by the convict. PAAG also submits that appropriate directions can also be issued to Maharashtra Police to coordinate with the local police, to coordinate with the Commissionerate Office, Police Jodhpur, for providing necessary guard public security. This court is conscious of the fact that it has ample powers under Rule 10A. This court is conscious that the rules provide for imposition of terms and conditions as may be considered necessary to impose for the security of the prisoner, including a guarantee for his return to the jail. This court has also taken into consideration the judgment rendered by this honorable court in the matter of Aqib Ali Khan versus State of Rajasthan and others, rendered in the civil petition parole number 11624 of 2015 by the Jaipur bench of this honorable court, in which this honorable court has dealt with full stop. Yeah, section. The in the this court, while keeping in consideration the aforesaid observations, this court, considering the age of the petitioner, which is above 85 years, and also the fact that he has undergone actual custody of about
More than 12 years.
actual custody.
एक मिनट सर
11 years, more than 11 years.
सर ये
That, this court on conjoint consideration of
टोटल रेमिशन समेत 10 साल 11 महीने 26 दिन
No, that is in Gujarat.
ये गुजरात का आ गया
इसके पहले को
एक सितंबर 2000 this court
ये
is
अपनी है
on conjoint consideration
हाँ सर एक
of
12 साल 2 महीने 5 दिन
A, the age of the petitioner, which is 85 years, comma, B, the prolonged custody of 12 साल
2 महीने 5 दिन
2 महीने and 5 days, comma, the C, the report of the AIMS suggesting the risk involved in invasive surgery. D, the recommendation of a 7-member medical board committee to the petitioner to undergo coronary artery bypass grafting, and also observing that the patient has had an episode of chest pain on 9/8/2024, while while his ECG showed dynamic changes as compared to previous ECGs. E, the rules of 1958, the Rajasthan prisoner release on parole rules 1958. F, the preceded law Akewali, Chopra. G, the absolute consent of the petitioner, which he took in person yesterday at the instance of his meeting, which was facilitated by the Additional Advocate General, Mr. Joshi, on the direction of this court, in which the petitioner has been authorized by the person, by the convict, that he shall bear his complete cost of guard, public security, public travel, and every expense that requires him to be taken to the Madhavbag such and such facility, including the facility of the members of police accompanying with him. F हो गया ना? G, D, G हो गया? H, the petitioner has consented that he shall take help of assist, क्या बोला था भैया आपने?
Attendant.
and cardiac
And
ambulance.
cardiac ambulance at his own
Cost.
cost.
One doctor or
He
I
could be a doctor.
is prepared to travel on his own risk and cost. J, the petitioner himself shall be responsible for any treatment which he is voluntarily taking, and also the trip which he is voluntarily taking at his own risk and cost. Within bracket is as ascertained by the petitioner in person upon the meeting having been facilitated at the direction of this court by the additional witness. J हो गया? Yes. K, the petitioner, the convict shall be required to assure the court that he shall completely cooperate with the security of the guard of the Rajasthan Police of the Maharashtra Police, and shall adhere to every kind of restriction which shall be imposed upon him at the instance of the police authorities, public district administration. On some conjoint consideration, the emergent parole for 7 days is allowed from tomorrow onwards to the seventh, from such and such to the seventh day.
My lord, once he leaves, because we have to see, get him ready. It may not be.
From the day he leaves
Yes.
till to the seventh day he arrives. Up to seven, from the 7 days from the day he leaves.
जी लॉर्ड.
My lord, including or excluding travel?
traveling.
कर दें सर, कर
Excluding.
हाँ कर दें सर, हो जाएगा 2 दिन में क्या.
Excluding travel ban. It is made clear, last paragraph, it is made clear that the adjudication for which the judgment was observed henceforth shall not be treated as a reserved judgment. But today, since it has been listed in the aforesaid circumstances which do be mentioned, the matter shall be listed normally before the regular bench on the next day for the fresh consideration of the prayers in question particularly the challenge to the virus. The The parole thus will in the इससे पहले ऊपर parole thus is being allowed on the following conditions. तो अपनी parole की regular custody parole की जो regular condition को देंगे the petitioner shall the convict shall be required to maintain all discipline strictly in accordance with law
हट जाइए
for the purpose of to adhere to the
बीच में नहीं
guideline to adhere to the all the conditions which the police commissioner Jodhpur also shall be entitled to impose to for the security of the petitioner. Police commissioner Jodhpur as well as Maharashtra police chief is entitled to impose any condition upon the petitioner which he shall be required to adhere so as to ensure his security and also shall and also for the guarantee for his return to the jail.
एक लॉर्डशिप जो अटेंडेंट का जो बात है वो अटेंडेंट एक्यूज हमें जेल अथॉरिटी को लिख के दे ये एक्यूज कि भाई इन आदमी को अलाउ करना उन्हीं को करेंगे कि झगड़ा बहुत काफी लोग इसमें वो कहेंगे हम जाए हमें वो नाम बतावे और एक ही एक ऑर्डर पहले कर रखा है इनका कोई डॉक्टर है वो डॉक्टर अगर साथ जाना चाहे तो जाए पहले ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर किया नहीं डॉक्टर है बाकी दो आदमी वो नाम बतावे हमें
Are required
नाम बतावे दो इसको भेजना
during travel. दो attendants वहाँ पे जाके तो तीन
The convict shall be free to give names of two attendants and one doctor,
जी वो नाम बता दे उनको हम अलाउ करा देंगे सर
which shall be accepted by the respondent subject to
जी सर
verification.
जी सर बस
Shall accompany the petitioner on the travel.
ships.
ये फिर ये जो है ये वायरस जो है और मैटर में ये जो चल रहे हैं तो वायरस को विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं इसको
No, my lord. Please kindly decide. Yes, yes.
बाद में देखेंगे
That is required, my lord, because his payroll, everything is like was also not decided because I have not challenged. So I have challenged it now.
जी
My lords, in the order, my lords had said that we have to adhere to whatever restriction that the AAG and police put. My lord, just that violation of his, like, it should not be traumatic because last time also then he gets disturbed and then the treatment goes haywire. He just leaves the treatment. He gets fed up.
If you want to go, if you don't want to go, we'll keep it for hearing. Till that point. We have passed the orders. We have taken the, see, we can't. We won't use.
Agree.
For every Indian citizen.
Agree.
ये मेरे को दे दो वापस
Oblige.
What we.
ये भी मैं लगा दे
What we
इसी फाइल
want to understand here.
Oblige.
But beyond this, if you need anything, we will provide it in September. By cancelling today's order and putting the matter.
No, no, man.
If you want.
No,
If
man.
he is disturbed, we are prepared to undisturb. There is no issue. You can say that you
Manage.
need to argue more than very positive.
No, man. Kindly.
Serial number 62.
Lord, may I get the report and whatever he has submitted to the court? Copy? What?
We have taken it on record, we even have 45.
Okay.
serial number 62,
Oblige, मतलब
जी लॉर्ड।